talk about your procurement, full by inventory and other factors of procurement. I try to cover some of the factors of public procurement also, because there is a basic difference of public procurement and a public procurement. Because we are all from the government background or UPSC, where the public procurement will matter much than the simple procurement. So I try to go with the public procurement. Now to start with, anybody who can tell me about the procurement. What is the procurement?
Something for O&M and construction work.
Okay. Anybody want to further add?
Purchasing some work oblique service oblique material.
No, see, procurement is a business management function. Whatever you are saying, basically a business management function and gives the science and art of supply management. When I place the order, somebody has to supply, then all the procurement will come complete. It's a question of supply management. Manage the acquisition of external resources, meaning they buy whatever I have, I don't have to buy. When would I buy? I have lots many conductor lying with me. I'll not buy conductor. I'll buy some insulators if I need. If I have insulators, I may go to buy some earthwire if I need. So what is that? Is the external resources which the company doesn't have. I'll go and purchase only that which the company doesn't have. Is that right or wrong? That means I'm going for the external resources. My resources are already with me. Should bring transparency in the process by giving equal. This is an important function for public sector as well as for the state sector. That why the transparency is required, because as a public company, as a government company, as a state organization, I'm using the public money. Once I use the public money, I am responsible to every penny that is spent. Is that right or wrong?
Yeah.
When would that come? That will come only when there is a transparency in the operations. Somebody doesn't come after the placement order that I was also wanting to supply, I was not given the opportunity to supply. Then how do I bring the transparency? That is the procurement. Simply saying procurement is different than to go for a procurement of a public sector, that is public procurement. Every money that government is responsible to spend is spending through you as a buyer, So therefore, this is the public procurement, and I am responsible for every penny that I have to spend from the public fund. Is that right or wrong? You can ask me questions in between. I want you to ask me questions. Now, what is the strategy behind it? Procurement for the strategy importance because of profitability. If I buy the things in time, I'll add up to the profitability of the organization. Two, capturing large share of market. If my market is, if I'm timely procuring the things and putting in the system, I'll improve my market share. Excuse me, I wish, just 1 second please. Excuse me.
Yeah.
All this things will be given to you. So let us not write it, let us hear it and ask me questions. Sorry?
Which are covered here.
That is usually given to you, don't worry. I'm giving that a set of slides. That you will get. So मेरा interest है कि आप मुझे सुने और मेरे से question पूछें. That will be more important for me. I may cover less, but I want to remove your doubts. So please don't write anything. You'll be given a set of slides which I'm talking to. In addition, whatever you have question is mind, you are all working professionals. Whatever confusion, ambiguities, doubt you have, that you ask me, even beyond the slide. Right? Reduces overall time from design to market. Once I buy my procurement time, I reduce my procurement time. I get the goods in time. I'll also reduce my time from design to market because the things are already with me. Improve customer satisfaction, quite satisfactory. Gaining better competitive value, right? Enables better products and services and faster and customer-friendly channels of distribution. Meaning thereby, once I procure anything in time, I improve my profitability, I improve customer satisfaction, I reduced my time from design to market, So that is why the procurement is an important function for any organization when you're buying the resources from the outside. You cannot build up a tower, you cannot erect a tower until you have the full section with you. When we'll have the full section? When I order the full tower. Only when the tower is received, then only I start working on it. And if I already have the tower and I don't have conductor, then my priority goes to buy the conductor and not the tower. Is that point clear to all of you? Now, basically, there are 5 principles of procurement. Now, what is the right quality? Anybody? Yeah.
तो हमारे क्वालिटी प्लान के साथ मैच करते हैं
Loudly, please.
Whether the metal is proper specifications or proper quality.
Okay.
But sir, I decide market.
The right quality is the quality which I actually want.
Quality requirement.
What type of conductor do I need? What type of insulators I need? If I buy the high quality insulators, my cost will go up.
Yeah.
And if I buy the lesser quality, so although the cost will go down, but the work will suffer. Then what is it? It is the optimum specification that I have to make. While drawing a specification, my interest should be that I must develop specifications of exactly what I want. It's needed for that. If I go for higher specification, I'll pay more and maybe suppliers are not there. If I have the lower specification, my cost may be less, but my will suffer. And therefore, the specification has to be just right. That is what I'm trying to. Then the right quantity. What does right quantity mean?
quantity as per survey, total requirement, quantity as per our survey.
And for
When I draw a line,
Yeah.
I tell you how many towels is needed, how many conductors will be there,
Yeah, that's correct.
how many bottles will be required of conductor,
Yeah.
that's why insulator, all those things.
So there should be a possible margin also, sir. We can't purchase.
That is the margin you can keep depending on the precision.
Yeah.
If you find the failures are more, you'll take more. So when I say the quantity, I include the safety precautions also. I don't mean if you need 3 kilometer conductor, you buy only 3. You might buy 4, 5, 6. You may require 3 now and 3 subsequently for maintenance. That is included. Now, the quantity, if I buy more quantity, what does it happen? I pay more. Inventory management cost will increase. If I buy more, I need store space also. The maintenance cost will go up. I need some measure to keep the inventory intact. I will give the cost. But the right quantity means the quantity which I need, including the safety precautions, which he rightly said.
And this, in that case also, the so wastage of metals will be there. Looks like
Where
if we order high quantity.
that will come to inventory when I talk about, but deterioration, damage, obsolescence is also the part of more inventory. The design changes. You have purchased some spare parts for transformer. Yeah. Who is it?
Hybrids, it may not be
Yes, that is obsolescence. आपने एक ट्रांसफार्मर लिया, उसके स्पेयर पार्ट्स लिए, बाद में जो नया ट्रांसफार्मर लिया वो स्पेयर पार्ट्स काम नहीं करेंगे, therefore these spare parts shall be restricted to one transformer which I purchased. You follow my point? Therefore, more inventory means the damage, deterioration, obsolescence, space, cost of the manager, other things, overheads. Now the right price. How do I get the right price? Through transparency, through tendering, which we'll come to now. And keep in mind, the lowest price may not be the best price. When I say the right price, I mean the lowest price may not be the best price. Why?
They will compromise with.
They will compromise something. That is why the price which suits their quality and may or may not be the lowest, may be the right price. Point is, whatever price is being quoted is supplying the material, the quality of which you are requiring.
Very difficult to check.
It is
Very difficult to check.
why
And you have noted your quality requirement. If anybody sends the meets the requirement and sending a proposal that it will be as well. Cannot neglect. You cannot neglect.
That's a initial stage, but difficult.
when they tell you that to don't accept the lowest price, they do that.
Oh, that is the lowest
What
price.
I said, the lowest price may not be the best price. I'm not saying you bypass the lowest price.
Sir, I am telling the other side.
If the lowest price, if the lowest price is meeting your quality requirement, they will be stopping you to place the order.
Sir, as you said that lowest price is not a good price. Good price. Then how will you know the quality of the materials?
Right.
So that you can
You
say
see,
the price.
you have built up a specifications.
Yeah.
You have asked the qualification required from the different people.
Yeah.
Once your technical department has clarified that of 7 bids that have been received, only 4 meet the quality requirement. That means your, as a buyer, your chapter is over. Then you will open the bids for all the 4 and whosoever is the lowest, you place the order. Because the qualification you have already checked and passed 4 from the out of 7. Therefore, no question will be asked once you open the bids of price bid of these 4 bidders and give the order the lowest.
That is why technical requirements are.
That is important. The technical requirement as well as technical evaluation is more important before the order is placed.
You are telling a good thing, but sometimes what happens that some vendors are meeting the quality requirement, but you personally know that their material is not good, this material is good.
Therefore, that means the technical has not been evaluated properly. No?